Before we get started, remember viewer discretion is advised. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, click that bell. Now, let's get on with the show. Mijeezas. Hello? Okay, alright. Mijeezas. Hold on. Hey, let me ask you a question. Mijeezas Tab Nation, welcome to the Tabizzle Vlogs channel, bro. The latest channel on Instagram.
Really, nigga?
Still blowing, bro. Mijeezas, not that type of blowing. But anyways, bro, this monkey app challenges me asking girl what are the chances of me eating their booty. What the fuck? On the monkey app, bro. I want to see these girls' reactions, bro. This one is even more freakier than the last two videos, bro. Mijeezas. So, bro, just watch, like, subscribe, and share this video, bro. And drop below the comments if you want to see more videos like this, bro. Mijeezas, let's get litty up in this bitch. I want to eat that ass. Yo, people be skipping. Alright, straight. Hello? Okay, alright. Mijeezas, hold on. Hey, let me ask you a question. Since they're doing that right now, let me ask you this question. Hey, okay, hey. Jesus. Let me. Bro, I tell you that these people like this, man, they're wilding, dog. Yo, these people be wilding, bro. Like, they be wilding, yo. She's just shaking her ass for people on the camera. She dancing. Oh my god. America's Got Talent is wanting her right now. This thing is crazy, bro. Not even 2 minutes into the video yet. These people wilding already. Hey, let me ask you a question. Can I ask you at some time? So you ready for the question? Can I eat your booty, and what are the chances of me eating your booty? What are the chances of me eating your booty? I'm pretty cute. Why I say I'm pretty cute? So cute guys don't eat booty? They can't? Why? I can. I'm cute. I'm cute, but I eat booty. I would eat it. I would eat it like from maybe if it upside it down or flip you around, all different type of position.
Really, nigga?
You know, motorboat. Add me back. Hey, it's a prank. It's a YouTube prank. Alright, it's a YouTube prank. It's not real. I don't eat booty. But I got you though. I got you, right? I got you.
Really?
Okay, alright. So, bro, 3 minutes in the video, I got one. I got her just like that, bro. That's it. That's uppity. So I got one girl so far, bro. So yeah, I tell you, you'd be surprised most of these girls actually agreed for me to do it. It's crazy. These girls are freaky. Come, I need more booty to eat, man. Alright. Vicky. So what Vicky up to? That one was cool. That one was a nice one a while ago. That one, she like a cat, like. Hello? Hey, let me ask you a quick question. What are they at some time? Oh my god, you're in. Yeah, what are the chances of me eating your booty? What are the chances of me eating your booty?
No.
Why not? You don't like getting your booty eaten? Bro, dude, bro, if you fucks with this video, bro, drop that like, bro. Hit that subscribe button, bro, and comment down below if you want to see these females' reaction with me pranking them, asking to eat their booty, bro. Like, yo, Mijeezas. They don't even know that's a prank, right? It's crazy. Alright, let me add some more people. She got caught off guard, bro. Alright, this is Shan from United Kingdom. She gonna want me to do it. Hello. Hey, can I, what are the chances of me eating her booty? It's a prank. It's a prank. She was Jamaican. That was a Jamaican dog. That was a Jamaican. She said nastiness. Hey, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
What are the chances of me eating your booty?
Yeah.
Yes? You said yes?
Yeah.
Okay, pull up then. Pull up. Yeah, I tell you, man, these girls freaky. They don't even know me and they want me to eat their booty. I think you're gonna get hot right now, bro. It's getting warm. Hello? Hey, add some time real quick. Add some time. Let me ask you a question. Can I ask you a question? What are the chances of me eating her booty? Hey. Psst. Hey, girl. Lady. Woman. Mijeezas. Really? Hey. Pitney. Okay then. That one ain't gonna work. Okay then. Let me go again. This uppity, bro. I tell you, man. I told you this was gonna get lit, bro. I told you, man. I'm not playing. I mean, God, the thing is, you don't know the reactions from the people, right? So you just go in and just ask them random questions and they have to agree. You know. Hello? Hey, let me ask you a question. Add some time. Oh, shit. What happened? What? Okay. Alright. Ciara? Oh, shit. Ciara skipped me. These girls be skipping like crazy, bro. I tell you. Come on, I need to eat. I'm hungry. Hey, I'm hungry right now. I need some booty to eat. What are some chances I can eat your booty? Hello?
Hi.
What are the chances of me eating the booty?
How much do you want? Where you live?
What the fuck? Alright, one more, bro. One more. Alright. Hello? Add some time. Let me ask you guys a question. Yeah, let me ask you this. What are the chances of me eating you girls' booty?
You can do it. I don't care.
I can do it?
Where are you?
I'm in England.
Wait, in Birmingham?
Yeah, I am.
I'm not in Birmingham.
Oh, can I eat your booty?
What about hers?
No, it's a prank. It's a YouTube prank. It's a prank.
I'm supposed to have your money.
Yeah, it's a prank, man.
Really? No, you should have some more time.
No, bye-bye. Anyways, bro, Mijeezas, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys like this freaky, stupid shit. So, bro, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below if you want to see part 2 of me asking girls to eat their booty, bro, prank. Alright, so please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, bro. And Mijeezas.